If you've ever wished you could understand what your dog or cat is trying to say, you've probably seen PETTICHAT. It promises to translate your pet's sounds into words using AI. Sounds amazing, right? But is it actually worth your money? Let's find out. PETTICHAT is a small device that clips onto your pet's collar. It listens to barks or meows, tracks movement, and sends information to an app on your phone. The app then gives you a message based on what the AI believes your pet is feeling. It can also include features like activity tracking and GPS depending on the version. Now here's the good part. The idea is fun. The app is easy to use. And many users say it gives interesting insights into their pet's behavior. If you love trying new pet technology, it can definitely be entertaining. But there are some downsides. PETTICHAT does not literally translate your pet's language. Instead, it makes educated guesses based on sounds and body language. The company's accuracy claims have not yet been independently verified, so it's best to treat the results as helpful suggestions rather than facts. There's also the price. Once the introductory period ends, some versions require a monthly subscription to unlock all features. That's another cost to consider before buying. So, is PETTICHAT worth it? If you're expecting real conversations with your pet, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you're looking for a fun AI gadget that may help you better understand your pet's moods and habits, it could be worth trying.